Ridgway เป็นเมืองที่อยู่ในหุบเขาแล้วก็เป็นเมืองเล็กๆน่าอยู่สะอาดสะอ้านนะคะดูแล้วสงบดีIt's only one way, one car at a time. Doesn't look like it can do like two cars, you know?
I'm not sure how many more to go. The road is getting rougher.
เริ่มที่จะเขย่าแล้วตูดเริ่มเขย่าแล้วไส้พุงกำลังขยื่นขับรถตาม GPS ขึ้นมาบนภูเขานะคะเพื่อที่จะไปไฮกิ้งที่ Blue Lake พอขึ้นมาแล้วนะคะขับเข้ามา6 ไมล์แล้วยังไม่เจออะไรเลยมีแต่ป่า
Why do we have mud here? You can hear the river running below here.
Yeah, I
It's
heard
very
that.
loud too.
Starting hearing birds singing. It's pretty rough. ดูถนน
A little washout here.
Oh. Don't come too close to this side. Don't come too close to this side. I don't like the steep.
Camping limit 14 days. Travel
Oh.
restricted area.
So adventure. Look at the street. Oh, the rock. And bumping my organ.
It's a washout here. The water's washing across, washing the road out.
Yes, hello. We finally got here. This is like dream area. Baby, where are we now? เขาเรียกว่า Uncompahgre River. They allow people to stay 14 days each time. To camp here is no fee. It's totally free, but there is nobody watching you out. You can't even get GPS signal through your phone. Come in here is totally cut out from the world. Is not any signal. If you have device to get to satellite, that may helpful. At least you know where you are and can look at the map. You also need to bring enough gas, bring enough food, and prepare for the snow or the rain. Here is no convenience store. ค่ำแล้วแสงไม่ค่อยดีนะคะไปอันเช็คน้ำเรากะว่าเราจะอาบน้ำกันที่นี่นะคะ Spot for 10 babe see this is the tent area but we're gonna sleep in the car that's our tentวันนี้เดินไม่ไกลเท่าไหร่เราจะเดินที่ Blue Lakes Trailhead เห็นในแมปบอกว่าประมาณไมล์กว่าถ้าเราไปทาง Telluride ทางนั้นจะเดินประมาณ37 ไมล์เส้นทางมาก็อย่างนี้นะคะเห็นหลุมบ่อวันนี้ก็ฝนตกด้วยรถมานี่ตับไตไส้พุงนี่ระเบิดเลยตรงนู้นก็มีคนมาแล้วนะคะเมื่อคืนเรานึกว่ามีคนแค่2 คนไม่ใช่รถเพียบเลยเขามาแคมป์กันด้านบนเพราะว่ามันติดกับ Trailhead เขาไม่ต้องเดินไกลเวลาเดินป่านะคะเอาทิชชู่มาด้วยนะคะเขาจะมีห้องน้ำให้เข้าแต่ไม่มีทิชชู่บริการนะจ๊ะในป่าห้องน้ำก็จะเป็นแบบนี้นะคะเป็นส้วมหลุม คือเส้นทางที่เรากำลังจะเดินวันนี้พยากรณ์อากาศวันนี้นะคะก็จะมีฝนตกบ้างก็มีมาแล้วแหละเราก็มีเสื้อกันฝนมาด้วยพี่หล่อมีเสื้อกันฝนแล้วก็มีดาวข้างในอันนี้ก็เป็น1 trailhead ที่สามารถไปได้นะคะนี่ก็คือ Blue Lakes Trail ระยะทาง 3.3 ไมล์กับ 5.7 6.7 6.8 ซึ่งในแมปบอกว่า 1.5 ไมล์นะคะมันหลอกเรามา Blue Lake Trail let's goชันมาก keep going baby keep going Lower Blue Lake we are now at Lower Blue Lake and it's raining we made it we are going back now because it's so cold
You ready?
yeah เราสู้ลมไม่ได้นะเราไม่ได้เดินรอบเลคเลย We're still hiking and rain just stopped here. I have trick. The lady gave us a bag for if you poop. It's so cold, so I have my husband to have it on his hand to keep his finger not to be too cold.
Cold and wet hands. Much better.
With rain is exhausted, but when rain stop is amazing. If you're gonna come hiking here, make sure you bring glove and rain jacket.
boy, am I a sissy or what?
With no shoes.
Yeah, how cool is that, huh?
It's awful.
Tough, dude.
And it's so freaking cold.
It's cold, the water. The soil is probably about 48 degrees and wet now.
We thought we have wet ass. We have nothing complete.
You got no shoes on, huh?
Not even shoes.
I complain about my toes being
wet.
cold.
Our shoes a little wet. He complained. He has no shoes. People in the forest is so amazing. Ooh. I don't think I shall complain any.
It's gonna be the funny thing in the video. You can't show me with a plastic bag over my hand and then 3 minutes later a guy running by with no shoes on. I'd be so embarrassed, like.
Wow, look at that. Wow, it's sun coming out. It looks much better. You see all the green rocks there from the mountain, the peak falling down.
Do you see the big rock slide down through here?
This is a trail that the rocks slide down. I think that's what we heard. The rock fall before.
Yes, earlier we heard rock falling for a few minutes at Blue Lake.
Yeah. Somehow these rocks are falling down. That side is still a lot of snow though. Did you see another lake?
Yes.
But look like in the hill, like people farm somewhere. You see where we came from? Right there. Not that far, but so exhausted to walk up.
No, babe, that's not where we were at. It's a different area.
That's where we at, huh?
No, we're on the other side.
ฝนตกน้ำท่วมเลย Look.
Yeah. Too bad there weren't mushrooms there, a blanket of mushrooms. Where were we? Somewhere in North Carolina? Oh my God, it was like...
Yeah, this is no measurement at all. And all pine tree. This is shall have a lot.
Yeah.
You don't see anything. We couldn't stay there long because we too cold. And then we come here, sun starting coming, and I feel like, oh, we just stay a little bit more. Already broke one stick.
We are higher than I thought we were elevation. We're at snow.
We are at the peak, at the top. What are you talking about? พี่เหล่าหาไม้
No good, huh? You're not too tall, but you'll do. Oh, I got one, dude.
That one too short.
What's that?
Too short.
The length is fine. It's perfect.
ตอนนี้พี่หล่อได้ไม้ค้ำใหม่แล้วนะคะ
New stick.
Looks stronger. I like it. Oh. Don't be so rough. Now my handsome husband feels safer. He slided 3 times already. It was raining, so the trail is slippery. You need stick to helping the balancing, so you don't fall because the mountain is very steep. If you fall, you may break your legs, arms, or even dead. So need to be very careful. Walk very careful. ตรงนี้เป็นต้นไม้ใหญ่
Isn't that very good, right?
It's the whole way up there too. Look, so beautiful. Thank you for sharing. This is such a dreamland of hiking. If not tired. It's so steep, but it's so pretty. Yellow flower next to you too.
All over, aren't they, huh?
Yeah, it's made the trail look so pretty. I like the white flower too. It's starting rain again. We need to go faster now. กุหลาบป่าหอมดีมาก
กดติดตามสนับสนุนช่องให้เราด้วยนะคะ เราจะได้มีกำลังใจในการทำคลิปวิดีโอต่อไปให้ชมกันเรื่อยๆค่ะ
ตากแดดสบายเลย หน้าเหมือนหมีมาก ฝนตกอีกแล้ว ฝนตก